naughty Father Christmas for putting it in too tight.
I got it. Go. Well done.
What have you got there? Oh, that's a smart looking one. Uh-huh.
Oh, look at Tom's.
Yeah, all Tom's.
No.
No. Try the other button. Press the other button, Rafa. Try the other button. That's it. No, the other one. Just one. Just one. Not better. You're just teasing the sister, aren't you? You're just winding it up. It's not stuck. Take your thumb off the other button. Let go of that one. That's it. Now press the button. Now press it. Look. Look. You press it. No, not that one. No, this one. That one. Look. That one go down.
Mummy's.
Oh, wow. How cool is that? Are you going to put it on? What do you mean no? Look. Look how cool that is. Look on the back, Tom. It's got the winning flag, the checkered flags. Yeah. Do you want to try it on? Come on.
Tighter.
It's so... Oh no, sorry, it's special for Tom to do. Right, look, hold it like this. Ready? Look. Hold it there, Tom. Hold it there. Lift it up. Look, lift it and shake it. Shake. Look. Look, it's coming down. The present's coming down, look. Look, see if you keep shaking it, the present's falling down. That's it. It is, yeah, it is. Keep shaking. Keep shaking it. Stand up and shake. That's it, put your arm inside. That's it, go on, put your arm inside. Careful there's no snakes inside. Huh?
I can't get it. I can.
You got it?
Yes.
Good boy.
I got it. I can't.
Well, it's in there somewhere.
Can't make it.
Yeah, that's a fun, isn't it? Yay. What's that one?
Huh?
What's that in there?
It might be shush.
So it might be what?
Might be a toy.
A toy. It might be a toy. It might be something else.
Mommy.
A jumper?
Yeah.
Oh, a bit small for a jumper. What do you think it is? Wow! Yeah, come sit down.
What have you got, Tom?
Lightning sock.
Wow.
Nice
And Finn
one.
Missile.
Finn.
Wow.
And that one's got, who's that one got on it? Who's on those socks? And they're Lightning McQueens, and you got Finn McMissiles. Wow, look at all the different colours.
Raz, you can have another present.
He's playing with the diggers. Look, try the other one. Look, you're holding it. It's not